የአክቲቭ እና ፓሲቭ ቮይስ አቃየርና ትርጉማቸው ከቀላሉ እስከ ውስብስቡ በትክክል ያውቃሉ ወይ? በዚህ ቪዲዮ እናያለን። Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Gebra. I have prepared you a full free PDF worksheet from beginner to advanced lesson. Subscribe to download this by the link in the description below. ፓሲቭ ኤንድ አክቲቭ ቮይስ በአማርኛ አድራጊና ተደራጊ ብለን እንተረጉማ። Today I'm going to show you passive voice in imperatives. Imperatives gives us orders or instructions. Imperatives are divided into two: positive imperative and negative imperative. Let us see the positive imperative. 1. Close the door. በሩን ዝጋው active. Let the door be closed passive. በሩን ይዘጋ። 2. Push it ግፋው active. Let it be pushed ይገፋ passive. 3. Tell him ንገረው active. Let him be told passive ይነገር ማለት ነው። በኔጌቲቭ ኢምፐራቲቭ እናየው። 1. don't close the door active. በሩ አትዝጋው ማለት ነው። do not let the door be closed. በሩን አይዘጋ ፓሲቭ ማለት ነው። ወይም በሩን ይዘጋ ዘንድ አትፍቀድ ማለት ነው። 2. don't tell him አትንገረው active. don't let him be told አይነገር passive. 3. don't push it አትግፋው active. don't let it be pushed አይገፋ passive. please open the door እባክህ በሩን ክፈተው። you are ordered to open the door politely passive. በሩን ትከፍተው ዘንድ በትህትና ታዘሃል። let us see special cases in passive voice. 1. if the active voice has two objects, it will have two passive forms. Example: Helen gives him a flower active. A. a flower is given to him. አበባው ለእሱ ይሰጣል። B. he is given a flower. እሱ አበባ ይሰጣል። 2. in the infinitive form. Example: I do not want anyone to disturb me active. ማንም እንዲረብሸኝ አልፈልግም። I don't want to be disturbed passive. ልረበሽ አልፈልግም። They seem to have taken it active. መውሰድ የነበረባቸው ይመስላሉ። It seems to have been taken passive. መወሰድ የነበረበት ይመስላል። 3. in the participle. I saw the cat eating it active. ድመቱ እየበላቸው አየሁት። I saw it being eaten by the cat passive. በድመቱ እየተበላ አየሁት። Having finished my work, I went home active. ስራዬ ከጨረስኩ በኋላ ወደ ቤቴ ሄድኩ። My work having been finished, I went home passive. ስራዬ ከተጨረሰ በኋላ ወደ ቤቴ ሄድኩ። የሚያስፈልጋችሁ ሌላ ጥያቄ በፓሲቭ እና አክቲቭ ካላችሁ በኮሜንት ጻፉልኝ። እኔ ደግሞ ሁሉም እመልስላችኋለሁ። Thank you. Bye bye.